Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a background from a photo. So in this video we are going to use a software called Paint 3D and which is pre-installed and free in Windows 10. So first let's go to Paint 3D, 3D and enter. Then click new. Now to remove background from a photo we need to add a photo. So first now we have to go to stickers and click add sticker. After that, select the photo which you want to remove and then open it. After opening it, adjust the ends of it. I'll just adjust like this. And now to remove a background, we need to click magic select. There are two magic selects, one is the top here and over here. You can click any, both are same. So here now they're asking us to drag in the corners or sides of the blue box to show us what to focus on. I want to focus on myself in that photo, so I'll just drag it like this. I'll just keep this much space, a little space I'll keep, and I'll just click next. Now there's some mistake over here that there's some scenery which has come and my one of my leg is not there, so I'll just go back and again I'll just select, I'll just select myself and click next. Over here also my shoe I can't find, but I'll just over here just click add and just click the places which you want to add. Example this, and the places which you want to remove, like this, this. And now if you're done with adding and removing, then you can click done. And after that you can see that the image is totally removed, the scenery is totally removed. So this is how you actually cut and adjust and cut the image and remove the background. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Tech Guide.